Yes, sir. About to ride the storm out, you hear me? You hear me? Got me a fire stable room. Guard protected. Cause I already know he will. Got my dog with me, you hear me? You know what I'm saying? Shit, I'ma be alright. About to ride it out, baby. Oh yeah. You know what I'm talking about? That's all we could do. You know what I'm saying? Got my water, got my backpack, all that. I got my battery plug and all. Oh yeah, hey. I'm not a survive, trust me. Shit, that camouflage one, shit, you just don't even know. Shit, that's my survival kit. I don't want to show all my goodies, but I'm strapped. Believe that, it's in there. I got all my power sources. I got food in there. I even got the ice box. You know. Shit, hey, I hope everybody, you know what I'm saying, got some preparations about what they're gonna do. Keep our fingers crossed they will make it through this. And I mean, it is what it is, you know what I'm saying? Hey, it's all cool. But I'm about to get in that bitch and lay back, chill. Get ready for, whatever about to come through. But I got my nice bathroom too, huh? Ooh, I like that sink though. Oh yeah, I like that sink. I bet that fire. Okay. Yeah. All cool. With the business. Okay. Flash screen on the wall. Bit lucky I ain't take my own TV over here. But shit. Hey, you know what it is, man. Look. Look at this trying, you know what I'm saying? Be safe. Ride it out. Be cool. Hoping for the best. See you another day. Get what your boy on. You feel me? One.